If you're looking an easy way to have an Oppenheimer-like film color grading, you came to the right video. Hi, I'm Lance Aldrin, and let's try to color grade like the award-winning film, Oppenheimer. I am using Filmora 14 to do this color grading. First thing you need to do is to get a sample clip from the film and take a snapshot to serve as your reference. Insert the clip where you want to apply the same color grading along with the Oppenheimer clip. This will give you an easy access to your reference. Once done, go to Color, and we will adjust this manually. Yes, there are some prepared color grading presets here, but nothing matches the Oppenheimer, so we need to do it from scratch. Enable the color option in this tab to color grade manually. Follow along the settings that I am doing to get the same results. Let's start with temperature, as the Oppenheimer is known for having a cold temperature color grading all the way down to the sharpness of the clip. I'll be eyeballing the color grading from this clip to my clip and see if I can actually get a result near the original color grading. Just follow through. If the video gets fast, you may pause for a while to see the numbers and continue editing. Alright, I think this is done, and somehow I came close to the color grading sample that I got from the film. Now, if you don't have much time to do this method, there's a much easier way to color grade, and that is with the use of the new feature of Filmora 14, AI Color Palette. Hit right-click on the clip that you got from the film and look for AI Color Palette. Click Generate and save and apply. This AI tool will give you a color palette that matches your sample clip, and you can save it to be applied to all of your video clips for the entire editing timeline. Downside of this is that it won't match well and still need your intervention, but it gives you like a boost and guide to the right color grading. If the effect is not enough, you may adjust the palette strength, see if it matched the reference that you have. In this tool, you have the option to protect the skin tone of your subject upon applying the palette that you generated. This can prevent having an alien-like skin tone or skin color when applying the color palette. And that's pretty much it. I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. Don't forget to like, comment your suggestions, and subscribe. See you on my next video.